From the pleasant March sun of Bengaluru to the welcoming warmth of Goa, this year's edition of Drive to Discover brought out Honda's entire India product portfolio to the fore. From Amaze to the WRV, Jazz to the 5th generation City. This year was a chance to just get out, just drive, just discover. The action began straight from the word go as HT Auto joined the Honda convoy at flag off from near the airport in Bengaluru. We got a chance to put the manual Honda City through its paces in the city and onwards ahead towards the sleepy hill town of Chikmagalur. The afternoon sun peered through the sunroof as the AC came alive to the tune of the gear change. The 4-lane highway also kept the city humming along at a nice pace, cruise control and all. A brief tea stop later, it was time to enter a narrow village lane next to the Yagachi Dam near Belur town. There's something calming about a large water body that can even silence some 20-odd cars packed one after the other. A couple of snaps and it was time for the final push through the dark woods of Chikmagalur. Day 2 dawned nice and early with spectacular views of the Chikmagalur hills. On the other side were the Honda cars all set for the journey ahead. I got inside the WRV diesel, slotted the gears in place to climb down the beautiful, nearly deserted roads. What began as a convoy soon dispersed in a free-flow drive. The WRV's compact proportions were tailor-made for the road, nipping in and out of cars ahead. There were patches of road which weren't ideal, but the run to Mangaluru, lunch location for us, was otherwise smooth. As the sun fell, we closed in for our night halt, quaint little beach town called Kundapur. Day 2 done and dusted. If day 2 was about hills and ghats, day 3 was all about beaches. Goa beckoned, but some of the untouched beaches of Kundapur are no less of a sight. The Honda convoy, cars lined neatly one after the other to head out towards the party capital of the country. My car for the day? A shining silver Amaze to begin with, before heading over to a city CVT. There's something about a laid-back yet purposeful CVT inside the city as it made munching miles like no tomorrow. National Highway providing an open playground. And en route, a quick stopover at the world's second tallest Shiva statue located in Murudeshwara. A brief halt later, it was time to floor the city and make the most of the near-perfect roads leading straight to our Goa resort. 800 kilometers, multiple Honda cars, and 3 days of drive and discover later, it was time to bid farewell to the 10th edition of Honda's Drive to Discover.